You just poured a $15 engine flush into your oil, hoping to clean out sludge, and that product is about to dislodge chunks of debris that'll clog your oil pickup screen and starve your engine of lubrication. I'm about to expose 4 engine flush products that are dangerous garbage, causing more harm than good, while revealing 3 products that actually remove sludge safely. After 15 years of testing engine flush products and tearing down engines to see actual results, I know exactly which products safely remove sludge versus which ones are ticking time bombs. Hit that subscribe button on Car Care Xpert and turn on notifications, because I expose product scams like this every week so you can avoid expensive mistakes. Now let's get into the products you need to avoid. Product number 3 is so aggressive it can dissolve rubber seals and create leaks that didn't exist before. Products to avoid. Number 1. Rizlone engine treatment. Rizlone engine treatment is old-school solvent-based garbage that's far too aggressive for modern engines. This product uses harsh petroleum distillates that dissolve sludge so rapidly it creates massive chunks of debris that circulate through your engine before they can drain out. I've analyzed oil after Rizlone treatments, and the suspended particulate levels are terrifying. You're turning solid sludge into liquid slurry that flows through your bearings and into every crevice. The problem is, Rizlone works too fast without giving debris time to settle or drain safely. I've seen engines develop rod knock within 500 miles of a Rizlone flush because dislodged sludge clogged the oil pickup screen, starving the engine of lubrication. The solvent chemistry also attacks rubber components. Valve seals, gaskets, and O-rings all suffer degradation. Engines that had no leaks before Rizlone suddenly develop valve cover leaks and rear main seal weeping because the solvents attacked rubber compounds. Rizlone costs $12 to $15 and seems cheap, but the risk of catastrophic engine damage makes it a terrible gamble. Number 2. Seafoam motor treatment. Seafoam motor treatment has a cult following, but reality is it's overly aggressive when used as an engine flush. Seafoam is primarily naphtha and pale oil, essentially paint thinner mixed with light petroleum distillates. And while this aggressively dissolves carbon deposits, it does so without detergents or dispersants to keep debris suspended safely. When you add seafoam to your oil and run it, the solvents attack sludge and break it into chunks that drop to your oil pan or circulate until they find a narrow passage to clog. I've documented multiple cases where engines developed oil starvation issues after seafoam treatments because debris clogged the oil pump pickup screen. The aggressive solvent action also attacks seals and gaskets. Seafoam's marketing encourages adding it to oil and driving for several hundred miles, which is insane, because you're running your engine on contaminated oil loaded with dissolved debris for extended periods. Seafoam costs about $12 and works well as a fuel system cleaner, but using it as an engine flush is courting disaster. Number 3. Gunk engine flush. Gunk engine flush is cheap solvent-based garbage manufactured to hit a low price point without consideration for safe sludge removal. This product uses the harshest chemistry I've tested, with aggressive solvents that attack not just sludge, but also rubber seals, gaskets, and certain plastics. I've seen gunk dissolve valve cover gaskets to the point where they crumble during removal, create oil pan gasket leaks requiring immediate repair, and damage valve stem seals causing sudden oil consumption issues. The solvent action is so aggressive it strips protective oil films from metal surfaces, leaving your engine vulnerable to metal-on-metal contact. Gunk also lacks adequate detergents to keep dissolved sludge suspended, meaning debris settles in your oil pan and gets picked up by the pump, potentially clogging passages or damaging bearings. Gunk costs $8 to $10 and appeals to bargain hunters, but you're saving a few dollars while risking hundreds or thousands in engine damage. Number 4. Bars Leaks Engine Flush. Bars Leaks Engine Flush uses overly aggressive detergent chemistry that strips everything from engine internals, not just sludge but also protective oil films and surface treatments that prevent corrosion. This product is formulated to work in just 5 minutes, which means chemistry has to be extremely aggressive. The problem is chemistry this aggressive doesn't discriminate between harmful deposits and beneficial surface films. I've analyzed engine internals after Bars Leaks treatments, and metal surfaces show increased corrosion compared to engines flushed with gentler products. The aggressive detergents also attack rubber seals, causing them to swell excessively then shrink below original size after draining, creating leak paths. Bars Leaks generates enormous amounts of debris in very short time, and 5 minutes isn't enough for debris to settle. Much remains suspended where it can cause problems later. Bars leaks cost $10 to $12, but the risk of seal damage makes it a poor choice. Product that works. Number 1. Liqui Moly Engine Flush. Liqui Moly Engine Flush is the gold standard for safe, effective sludge removal, using balanced chemistry that dissolves deposits gradually while keeping debris safely suspended until you drain. This German-engineered product uses gentle detergents and dispersants that break down sludge without harsh solvent action that damages seals. I've used Liqui Moly on severely sludged engines and watched it safely remove deposits over 10 minutes without any seal damage, oil pressure issues, or debris problems. The chemistry is pH neutral and compatible with all seal materials. The detergent package keeps dissolved sludge suspended in microscopic particles that flow harmlessly through the engine and drain out. I've performed oil analysis after Liqui Moly treatments, and debris particle size distribution is perfect. Everything is small enough to drain completely without clogging oil passages. Liqui Moly costs $15 to $18, making it the most expensive flush on this list, but the safe, effective cleaning makes it worth every penny. Number 2. BG109 Engine Performance Restoration. BG109 is professional-grade engine flush available through shops, using sophisticated chemistry that safely removes sludge while actually improving engine protection during the flush process. Unlike consumer-grade flushes that strip all oil, BG109 contains friction modifiers and anti-wear additives that maintain lubrication protection while detergents work. The detergent chemistry is powerful but controlled, dissolving sludge gradually over 15 minutes and keeping all debris in suspension until drain. I've used BG109 on engines with severe neglect and watched it safely clean over multiple treatments without damage or oil pressure issues. The dispersant package is exceptional, keeping even large amounts of dissolved sludge evenly distributed. BG109 costs $25 to $35 per treatment, making it expensive, but professional-grade chemistry makes it worthwhile for valuable engines or severe sludge cases. Number 3. AMSOIL Engine AN Transmission Flush. AMSOIL Engine and Transmission Flush uses petroleum-based formula with carefully balanced detergents that clean effectively without aggressive solvent action. This product is designed for a longer flush period, 30 minutes of idle running, which allows gentler chemistry to work thoroughly without harsh, fast-acting solvents. I've tested AMSOIL Flush on moderately sludged engines and consistently achieved excellent cleaning without seal damage or debris issues. The chemistry maintains lubrication during flush period. The dispersant package keeps dissolved deposits in fine suspension that drains cleanly without clogging screens or passages. AMSOIL costs $18 to $22 and is available through AMSOIL dealers. The gentler chemistry and longer runtime make it ideal for engines with moderate sludge where you want safe, effective cleaning. After 15 years of testing engine flush products and documenting their effects through oil analysis and engine teardowns, I can tell you with absolute certainty that the 4 products I told you to avoid are dangerous garbage that create more problems than they solve through aggressive chemistry that damages seals and generates dangerous debris. Rislone's Seafoam as an engine flush, gunk, and bars leaks are all formulated to work fast and cheap without consideration for safe debris management or seal protection. The 3 products that actually work, Liqui Moly Engine Flush, BG109, and AMSOIL Engine and Transmission Flush, use sophisticated chemistry that cleans thoroughly while maintaining engine protection and keeping debris safely suspended until drain. If this video just saved you from using a flush product that could have destroyed your engine, smash that like button and share it with everyone who needs to clean sludge safely. Drop a comment telling me if you've used any of these products, because I want to know about your real-world experiences.